Don't you? Don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
That was fun! I love it!
This is my best friend. I'm kidding.
Balita ko dyan, iuwi mo daw to.
Oh my gosh.
Iuwi.
Oo nga. That was...
Nakakapagod pala.
Oo,
Nandiyan yung tatay ko.
Nag-order naman tayo ng drinks.
Oo nga.
Umpisahan na natin.
Umpisa na natin yung sauce. Party time!
Yes, waitress. Pa-order ng
guys.
drinks. Wow.
Ooh, lala.
Parang kilala namin ito. Choreographer ho namin, Miss Jercel! A waitress, sexy waitress.
Waitress ba to? Hindi natin pwedeng dalhin dito yung mga guys natin.
I'd like a vodka Red Bull, please.
2 shots of the tequila, please.
2 agad,
To the tequila. Isa na lang,
ako-
sige, isa lang.
Ako, Shirley Temple.
Talagang
Talaga, may personality talaga. Oh. Okay, alam mo guys, parang nagigilty yata ako.
Wow, it was so much fun, di ba? Wasn't it fun? Did you guys
Yeah?
enjoy
Did you guys
that
enjoy?
number? Oh.
You know what? I don't know about you guys, but
Uh-huh.
whenever I see a pole, an empty pole,
Uh-huh.
I just lose control.
Wait, oh, thank you so
Ayan,
much.
thank
wow.
you so much.
Okay, aking Shirley Temple. Thank you, Jercel. Wait, let me just ask the girls out there, no? So, do we have to be sex objects? It's insulting, right? You walked into a bar, and the guys are looking at you, rating you, checking you out. You know, they don't even care about, if you have a good heart, if you have a talent. They just care about how you rate, how you look. And, objects ba tayo? Teka muna, payag ba kayo nun, girls?
Ano, girls, payag ba tayo na
Payag
objects
ba tayo ng objects?
No, di ba? Kasi parang we're so unempowered naman. Kung gano'n, walang identity. Di ba? We're so much more naman than bodies.
That's right, di
Diba?
ba, Jen?
Bakit
Ito naman, oh.
Nalasing ka na
Iinumin ko pa yun, eh.
Sorry, sorry.
Ilagay ba naman yun?
Sorry.
Tequila sa bagay, tequila, tsaka kung ano, sabay ko na. Salamat.
Oh, thank you
Hindi,
so much.
ito lang masasabi
ayun.
ko. Hindi ko alam, I don't know about being an object, no?
Aha.
Pero yung sex part, I like.
Okay.
Kids?
Consistent ka
Si
talaga.
Direk kasi
Jenny.
sa akin pa binigay yun eh. Sweet-sweet ko nga. Sweet-sweet ko nga eh. Grabe. Oh, anyway,
Ano?
masama ng tingin niyo sa akin. Sinabi ko lang yung 3 letter word na yun.
Oh.
But you know what,
Diba?
guys?
Ano ba?
Alam mo, teka muna, ha?
Yung mga lalaki, kung kaya nila tayong gawing sex objects, tayo kaya rin natin silang gawing sex objects. Diba?
Ano? What do you think, girls?
Gusto nga
Oo
ng lalaki
nga
yun.
naman.
eh.
Oo nga
Kaya din
naman.
natin.
Alam mo, the next guy who walks into this bar, I swear, I'll make a sex object out of him.
Go, Vina! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Vina! It's your papa!
It's GR.